Dr. Gray. Good to see you this morning, and we are ready to take our math test today. So we have to find test number 14 in our packet. We're going to go over the regular paper, what you need to do there, and then we'll go over the directions of the test to make sure you understand what you're doing. On your regular paper today, it's page 295 and 296. The first part, they're going to ask you questions here about the moon. And it's going to be some math problems figuring out the distance from the Earth to the moon. And you just have to work the math problems. Missing terms is number 2. On the back, you have a coloring paper, and you are to color it according to the code. And they're using Roman numerals. So if that Roman numeral equals 40, a light gray, a dark gray if it's 60, red 100, 50 is blue, 500 is white, and if it is 1,000, you color green, but you're using Roman numerals. So you can work on that when you're done with your math test. Today on your math test, we're going to be multiplying by the 2 digits. Okay, remember how we've been doing that the last couple of days? If I say 24 times 12, 2 times 4 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4. I come down, I put a 0 in the ones place. 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2, and I'm going to add these together. Okay, these are called partial products. You add them together to give you your product. So you have a couple of those that you have to do. You have 3 division problems, and it says to put your remainder as a fraction. If you don't, you get some points taken off. Find the average. Remember, to find the average, you're going to add the numbers together first and then divide by the number of add-ins. Okay? On the back side, follow your signs. Do the fraction part first and then do the whole numbers. Look at your sign. Is it adding or subtracting? Find the fractional part of a whole number. If they give you 1/4 of 25, if you need to work it, work it. 25 divided by 4 goes 6 times with 1 left over. So 1 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. 6 and 1/4. You have your 12 tables, and you have 2 story problems that you have to work. Have somebody read those to you if you don't understand the process. But that's the point of story problems, is understanding the process and then being able to work it. But we need to understand the process first before we can work the problem. All right, so getting busy on our math test today, and then when you're finished with that, you may go ahead and do that math paper. Okay, so do a good job. Take your time, and we'll go from there. Remember, today is week 6, day 3. It's Wednesday. It's April the 29th. All right, good job.